How to add a full reel to your Instagram story. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can add full read on Instagram story. The first thing you want to do is launch open the Instagram app. Now head over to the Reels tab. Here you want to find the reel that you want to share. Then tap on the share option, which is the paper plane icon. Tap on that. Now select add to story. The reel appears in your story preview as a clickable reel, not the full video. Viewers must tap it to watch the reel. This is the default Instagram behavior. Next thing you can do is add your own reel as a full length story. If the reel is from your own account, you can upload the entire thing to your story. For that, head over to your profile, then open the reel that you want to share, tap on the three dots. Now select save to device. If the audio is from Instagram Music library, it may save without sound. Now open Instagram story camera, swipe up, import the saved video. Instagram will allow full 60 seconds or split into automatic segments if the video is longer. Now, if you want to repost someone else's reel as a full story, then there is no option to do that. However, there is a workaround. All you want to do is turn on screen recording on your phone, record the reel completely, trim the recording in your gallery, then open Instagram, tap on your story, and upload the trimmed video. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.